Welcome to Hazel Flowers. Today we're going to be doing a video, and you're probably wondering, why do I have all this makeup in front of me? Well, today we're going to be doing makeup, my makeup. Any normal makeup. I'm going to be doing crazy makeup. Have you ever guys seen the video where Billie Eilish drinks a glass of black water? Black water starts coming down her eyes, except I'm going to be doing that exact same thing with, rainbow, just like my shirt. I'm going to be having black around it to like shape it, but everything else, rainbow. So first thing we're gonna do, I have my foundation right here. All of my brushes are really dirty. I think this one has covered in purple. I'm trying to get all the purple off so I literally don't look like Venom. I've never seen Venom, but I want to see Venom like that. So we're gonna just squirt a lot of this on. Hopefully it doesn't do too much. Like, please hope. Sorry if I'm looking over here. My mirror is over here, so like, yeah, we're just gonna put some on my forehead because that's kind of a lot. I'm gonna scoop some of that and put it on my cheek. My other cheek. My chin. Right there, my nose. I'm gonna add a little bit more on my nose and a little bit more on my chin. Some right there. And I'm actually gonna do some right there so then it doesn't look a little too weird. Okay, let me start blending this in. If my face looks a whole purple color, it's because of this brush. Just so you know, guys, like might look crazy in this. My lips are burning right now. For some weird reason, my lips are burning. No, it's not burning. I'm just gonna use this. I know it's really dirty. My face is already gonna look purple. It kind of looks a little, like a tiniest bit better. Oh, it kind of helps if you rub it. You're supposed to pat it, but I'm like rubbing it because I want to rub it right now. I look purple, guys. That's it. I'm officially the purple lady. I have this palette that I'm gonna be using. I don't know where it's from. I just have all of this makeup. I'm gonna start by outlining where my stuff is gonna be. I think that's gonna be the start right there, and then it's gonna go down more. I don't know. It's kind of random right now. I'll do this exact same thing. I'll like have an idea, but then I'll be like, I should do this. That's it right there. I don't have any makeup wipes. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna pat this, and it's gonna be like that. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I haven't tried this look yet. That's the part I'm scared about. I'm gonna be using this. It's like messed up because I do not take like perfect care of my makeup. I know you're probably thinking like, why does she have makeup? Because I'm good at makeup. Bro, I have a whole pink side right here. Something on my eye. I hated that. My desk is gonna be so dirty after this. The reason I don't post that much is because like it's hard planning out a whole video. Try to out yourself and you'll figure me out. I'm gonna do a mix of dark blue and light blue. Like, let's try and do that. I don't know which one to use. Oh, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. I didn't get it too good. Like, that's it right now. I'm gonna do some on my eye. I'm gonna try and have my eye be 2 different colors. I'm gonna hate washing my eye today. Where I'm going. You wanna miss me by my hair, you wanna miss me everywhere. Oh, I'm sorry if I just start singing out of nowhere. Dad, cut that part out. Unless like that, if you want to keep it on, you can. Yeah, my dad edit my videos. Cause I don't know how to edit. I don't ever practice it, so maybe that's why I don't do any videos. Oh, I kind of like it. Isn't that cute? I am digging it right now. You gotta outline it with more black. Okay. I don't know how I feel too much about it. I hate my foundation right now, bro. I'm just gonna do this with my finger. Okay, let's cover that part up with foundation because my skin tone isn't purple. I don't want to look like Hades' brother. If you guys haven't watched Descendants, like right after this video, go watch Descendants. Such a good show. I love it. I'm just gonna hurry and try and go as fast as I can as a pad. My head's so itchy, but I'm like itching on my foundation. I have a mosquito bite on my head. So I'm just gonna do my other eye. I'm gonna try and get it all the way rainbow. I just go where I go. If you hear me talking about something, I switch to something else. I'm really bad at that. Like I'm trying to do this. It seems hard. Not saying I don't like to work hard on my makeup, but like I just don't want to do that. Okay, the eye over here kind of looks a little bit weird. I want to be someone in this world. Make it kind of look a little bit better. Am I digging it or am I digging it? I want to be done, but I know I have to do more. I'm going to use this white stuff. Okay, I'm going to put some white on my forehead. I know this looks like it really bad right now, but I'm doing it. We need black. I don't care. We need black. We're gonna outline our lips. You're probably thinking, what am I doing? Like, we're gonna put on some lip gloss. My face is kind of hurting. Oh, it looks so bad. I hate it. I'm just putting all the colors on my lips. That's why I'm being really quiet right now. Oh yes, there's gonna be something evil in here. If you think I wasn't gonna do something evil, you are wrong. Bro, I always gotta do something evil. Rotten to the core. I couldn't ask for more. Okay, this is going pretty good. I like it. Okay, I'm looking fly right now. I need to see you get a little bit closer up. Hello, crying. My lips are like half purple. Looks like I have bad lips. It looks like I have bad lips. I forgot my designation. Not purple for the other one. Please don't look too bad. I'm just gonna add some blue and then add some pink. Okay, guys, I think this is it for today. Bye, guys. Kiss me.